Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, also known as the Thrifty Broad. And if you're new here, hi, how are you? Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're returning, I'm so glad you came back. And thank you for hitting the subscribe button and for hitting the notification so you know when I post a new video. Today's video is going to be revamping some Suede, Eileen Fisher Suede black flats. And I think they turned out fantastic. Stay to the end and let me know how you think they turned out and would you implement this in your business. These are some Eileen Fisher shoes I got at the bins. My friend Kristen, she kind of passed them over, or maybe she gave them to me. I think she gave them to me actually, and she knew that I could revamp these. And yeah, I think they turned out pretty well. So the first thing I use is a vinegar and water solution. It's actually really simple. I spray down the shoe, and you want to get a good coverage of it, so don't be afraid to get it wet. And here I am brushing out the shoe with my pig hair brush, and you want to do it a couple of different times. I always do it right after I spray the solution, and then I let it dry a little bit, and then I go over it again with the brush. So you want to do this with the other shoe. I picked a fine time to mess with the nozzle. Now I'm trying to, get some of the moisture off. Helps it dry a little bit quicker. And then I go over it again, and then I'll go over it again. So really I go over it like about 3 times. Just trying to make sure it gets clean and that the suede comes back to close to its original as possible. And honestly, it doesn't take that long. I mean, I revamped these shoes in about 10 minutes. And I think these, and that significantly ups the value of these. So if you don't like to clean shoes or revamp shoes, then you probably shouldn't be picking up shoes. But anyway, if you do pick up shoes and you just don't like revamping them and you sell as is, you're gonna get way less money than if you do revamp them. And like I said, it took about 10 minutes. Now the inside of the shoe is also leather. However, it is, kind of got a little bit worn, because of being worn. So I'm going to take some Sapphire black polish . So I'm just gonna take my little rag here. It's a soft rag. And I'm just gonna go over the inside because I want the inside to look newer. I want it to look less worn out. So I want to kind of revamp the inside and outside. And I do this with a lot of shoes, that the inside of the shoe, if it's a boot, I don't tend to do it. But if it's like a shoe like this where you're gonna see the inside really easily, I will revamp the inside if I can. Now, if it's not real leather, it doesn't usually work. But since this was real leather, it allowed me basically to go over it. It didn't cover it 100%, but it made it look a lot better than it did. And I'll be showing you that in a minute. See how that looks a lot better than it did? So I'm gonna put the shoehorn back in it because I need it to dry the rest of the way and I need to take pictures. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Here's a match. We're gonna burn off this little white fiber right there. You just want to be really quick, not leave it on the shoe for very long. And you would do the same thing if you have on suede shoes that have like kind of part of the suede like being pulled out almost. You would use a lighter or a match for that as well. So there's a little bit of white left, so I kind of put the part that was on the black polish. And then I decided to go over the whole shoe with the part that had the black polish on it, this residual amount, just to see if it will, you know, transfer some of it onto the shoe and parts that, you know, are a little bit lighter than the other parts. Now I'm going over it one last time with the brush, and I'm trying to figure out which way makes it, you know how you put suede one way or the other, it's light on one side, dark on the other side. So I'm trying to make it dark. So I'm going with the way in which it'll make all the leather, all the suede darker and not lighter. Look how good that looks. It's not perfect, but it fixed it up quite a bit. I think these turned out great. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching.